I worked at the Provedora for Human Rights in Dili, Timor-Leste, PDHJ. One of the main things that I worked on during the summer was research and writing for a report on prisoners' rights in Timor-Leste. You don't have to just be interested in international human rights law, I think, to get a lot out of the experience. Even if you're interested in domestic social justice issues, you will likely be able to get a lot of experience that is transferable. It was a really great experience. I learned so much about international law and Timor-Leste's international law obligations.
I worked for the Initiative for Strategic Litigation in Africa, which is a Pan-African and feminist-led initiative that works in the space of strategic litigation in Johannesburg, South Africa. I worked on violence against women, socioeconomic rights, and sexual rights.
It was a really great experience, and it helped me reaffirm my interest in human rights, both internationally and domestically. The organizations are so grateful to have you, and so even if you're remote, you know that you're still doing very meaningful work for the organizations.
This summer internship has completely changed how I approach law school. In my first year, I was so busy trying to get law school right that I didn't even realize my own tendency to gravitate towards the certainty of precedent. But with ISLA, arriving at precedent is not the end, it's just the beginning. You're working on changing precedent. You're actively building arguments to challenge the validity of precedents and expose its disproportionate impacts on certain bodies. So I think it's a very valuable skill to have, and it's something I carry with me to all my lectures now.
I would recommend it to students, of course, who are interested in international human rights law.
I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to work with challenging the status quo.